Welcome back to the Capcut video editing series. In the last class, we discussed about the adjustment and we have almost completed the whole Capcut video editing series, and we discussed about all properties and all the basic things which a basic or beginner editor needs to know. If you want to learn in advanced editing, we will also discuss about it and make videos soon. So after completing the video editing series, CapCut video editing series, we have not discussed about the exporting the video, that how you can export the video and which settings or which corrections you should know about them. Simply you have to click on the export. After clicking on the export, you have to write the name of file here. If you want to keep a specific name, you can write the name here, like I'm going to write export setting. After that, you have to click here and you have to select the folder or any location where you want to be, where you want that your video should be exported. After that, you have to select the resolution of the video. It's up to you. You are selecting 2K, 4K. It's up to your device too. With that, if your device support 4K, it will export in 4K or 2K or 1080 pixels. After that, you have bit rate. You have a bit rate recommended. Let it be as they are. Don't change these options as they are. If you want to change the FPS, you can also do that. If you want to export it only the audio, you have to click here and you have to video click here. If you want to both, you can do that also. It's up to you. So I'm going to export in video, and you simply have to click on the export, hit the export. It will be exported and it's exported already. So I hope you guys understand this video, and this CapCut video editing series is going to be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next videos.